it's me. I am the last one, but welcome back to my channel. Now it's finally time for me to open my gifts.
Yes.
So, I was really excited about this one, but these two were attached together, as you can see, so but I have no clue what it is. So, let's open it up.
Let's see.
Wait, that's so cute. Wait.
I thought it was a cup.
Wait. What is this? Oh my god!
What is that?
I don't know. But that's so cute. I think there's a cat, like. I know what these are. Don't mind my voice. So we're gonna open from here. This is from my. Wait, who was this from?
Kaale.
Oh, thank you, Kaale, my mom's sister. So
this is from Bubby.
My grandma, Mummy. She is the best grandma ever. It's cute enchiladas. Oh my god. Let me see. Oh my god. I'm definitely. Thank you so much, Mummy. This is what I'm saying. You're the best. Well, I forgot to open this one, guys.
Okay, this is from Kaale too.
Yeah, I hope it's good.
But she's like my second favorite auntie because she literally gives us like so many gifts.
It's a planner.
What?
Ah!
I call a pen.
No. This is adorable.
She's a
Show
It's a
me.
planner.
she's a
Oh my gosh, show me.
On important days, I go just right.
Wow.
I need that so much.
Oh my god, I love her so much. She's my #1 favorite auntie. Tell her that I said thank you. So now it's this.
Okay, that's from Mom and Dad.
Candy, yummy.
Chocolate,
This
your
is my favorite
favorite.
chocolate. How did you know?
I gave birth to you.
Oh my god.
This
is for your
for,
Stanley.
A what?
Stanley.
Yeah.
It's a purse and a
So
holder.
this is the top. This is the purse thingy for it.
This is for the bottom.
This is like something.
That's a little pouch.
I told you guys. Wait, I'm trying this on right now. So let's see.
Wow.
Guys, the reason why I'm floating Christmas things so I want some Christmas buddy. Guys, that fits perfectly. Look at the back.
I know.
Oh my god! Every time I wake up, I'm wearing this.
Yes.
To use the bathroom, brush my teeth, everything. Okay, nothing in here. Okay. Wait, who is that from?
Faria, Bobby.
No, this.
Mom and Dad.
Thank you so much. Well, these are stuff we don't care about. That's my grandma's. We don't care about that. I already knew that. Here. So I'm gonna see. This is from Sorry Mommy. My other auntie that gave me this. Like, oh my god. And how does she know I'm in love with peanut butter M&M's? Like, I'm addicted to it.
Oh
I
my
even
god.
have a pen and a notebook.
She's a Barisa got the same thing.
Look at this.
She's a Barisa.
Wow.
Barisa got the same thing.
Wow.
Oh my god. Eyeshadow set.
How does she know you know how to do makeup?
I'm in love with this. I love the pen. I love notebooks. I have so much notebooks now. I have like 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much. How about now we start to open things I wanted to. I'm not going to show you that.
Show me. I'm sorry, I walked away.
Ryan, stop.
Guys, I have another one. No way.
Wow.
Yes. Whoever gave it. Wait, Mommy, right?
Yes.
Thank you so much. I love you.
You got color the outside of the box too.
Wait, I can't. Okay, thank you for watching my video of opening all my amazing stuff I ever got in my life. Well, bye. See you next time. And sorry for the long wait.